Alright guys, so here is the Nitro. We're running 6 ounces, which if you put it down here and you run over to the mixture, it's about close to it, just under 40-to-1 ratio. So we're running 2 gallons, 6 ounces. This is from V-Force John himself. He said, hey, this is what you should run. That's where we're going to give it a shot. We did talk to the guys at Klotz, and this product is made for like more acceleration and mid-pull. Doesn't do much in the top end, just the acceleration. So pretty excited to try it. We put the heavier weights in the clutch too. John said that should help with, since we're accelerating so hard, those heavier weights, we shouldn't have a problem. You guys like, we got the nails done from my daughter yesterday, so pretty sweet. Either way, we're gonna put this in the quad and see. Hopefully it smells good too. I was told that we know a lot of people that run Klotz, like bean oil, smells amazing. Well, I'm hoping the Nitro smells good. I can tell you right now, in this bottle, this stuff is potent. It'll like burn your hair off your nose. So do not sniff this. That's probably why they have that sign. But either way, you can run this stuff, gasoline, methanol, alcohol, or E85. It's 50% nitropropane, and then this cool something. I don't know what it really does. I don't know. I'm not a chemist. I don't know what all this does. But the biggest thing this does is lean your engine out, which makes more power. As they say, lean is mean. That's what this thing does. Now, my quad is fuel injected. That's why I talked to John about the tune. He said it should be fine, shouldn't have any issues. But you were running a carburetor, which we would probably be running this in the Warrior. You have to jet it up a lot, get a lot more gas to richen the carb up. This thing will lean it back out, make some more power. So let's throw this in the machine and see how she does at the races. All right, first start up with the Nitro. See how she does. Idling good. Sounds good. Alright, so we're going to let this thing run for a little bit. Obviously it's got the original fuel that was in it before, so we're going to let that run through the system. And hopefully we start smelling it through the exhaust. Got nothing yet. Still smells the same. Kind of excited. John says it smells really good, so I'm hoping. Alright, it's been running for a little bit. Don't smell anything different. Maybe once I get on a little bit. Yeah, still kind of smells the same. But definitely seems to be idling perfect. No issues with that whatsoever. Now this stuff does make it run really hot. So, but we have the fan running. We have ice in the coolant, so as coolant. So we shouldn't really have to worry about it too much. And we're not running it real hard for, you know, a long period of time. Just 300 feet. So, alright, I think we're good for now. We're just going to wait until he's tried at the track. Yeah, oh, there's definitely smell now. Oh yeah, we got a scent. It's in the system. Well, dummy me, forgot to check the mount on my helmet, and the GoPro mount fell off. So I got absolutely no footage of it. Really ticked me off. Luckily, Hunter at Double D Racing got some footage with his 1000, so you guys can check that out here shortly.
Nope, not Uncle Joe.
Very much an estimated time going off his video, but it looked to be about 5.7 to 5.8 seconds. He clocked in at 60 miles an hour, so and I was right there neck and neck with him. I actually did pull on him. It looked like from his video, midway to the end, I was starting to creep. Not a whole lot. Obviously not even close enough to pull around him, but it started pulling pretty good at the end. Very surprised by that because the Klotz was just designed to go from acceleration to mid, and it did. It worked really well. Didn't show that, like, as in, like, my place, I got beat both times. but it did seem to run pretty darn good with that Klotz Nitro in it. Next race is going to be a different story. We got some other changes we're going to do. Hopefully, we get better results. I'm kind of tired of losing.